What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is another brand new day. We're here again with this beautiful 2001 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. JP, what are we doing today?
Well, today we're going to make it look like a truck. We're going to put all the trim on the outside. We're going to work on making the outside look like a truck again. And maybe work on the inside next time.
Well, that'd be good. I think in the last video, we cleaned up our bed, and then we painted the grille, we painted the bumper, we painted corner lights. What else did we paint?
I don't know, you done all that. I was out playing patty cake that day.
Yeah, you was playing patty cake that day. You and CC, y'all left me here to paint all this stuff.
Yeah.
But you know what? That's okay. I'd rather be here painting and doing stuff, making this truck look good. Because look at it. It's sitting here. It's ready to go today. We're going to find those parts, and we're going to see if we can't get them put on here and make this truck look like a truck. We got the new headlights. We got some LED bulbs, and I mean, them suckers look like a rocket. So we're going to get them put in. And then what we got to do, I think we still got to paint our black on our bumper and our fender flares, but we're going to get a lot of this stuff knocked out. So let's stop talking and we'll just hop right to it. Alrighty guys, you gotta check this out. Check out this LED headlight. Man, this thing is so cool. Look, it's got a little fan in there and a heat sink that keeps it cool. We're gonna plug these in our new headlights and they're gonna shine holes through the walls. So we're gonna jump to it. Alrighty, man, we have made some quick work of this evening. Man, look at this. We kind of temporaried everything up here because we had some clips for the grill. We knew we was gonna lose them, so we put them up somewhere. We can't find them. That's okay. We're gonna order some new clips. We're gonna have to set the grill back off, and then I got to put a bunch of clips in the bumper, and we got to set it back off and put the black piece on when we get that painted. But we just kind of wanted to just set it up here because we stuck the headlights in. Look at this color match right here. That is beautiful. It's a beautiful truck. This cement is beautiful. And then we worked over here, JP, he worked like crazy. We got our antenna put back on. He got the mirror put on. Got the door handle put on. Look at that. Look at the window don't rattle no more. I mean, it's just like, listen, boom. That thing is perfect. I mean, it's all coming together. So the next thing we got to do is, we already talked about it. Got to get this black stuff painted. You know, got to get these flares. We got to get our clips all together so we can finish up this front end. Finish up putting the cab together because we got the door trim put in on this thing. I mean, it's still a pretty good mess in there, but we're getting there. So we got the door panel put on. Got some brand new carpet in for this thing. Everything is coming together. So stay tuned. We do have lots of exciting things lined up for the channel. So stay tuned. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment down below. We read everyone. Subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we're out.